Dear student, class 12th, subject biology, content name human health and disease. Human health means we will study at this content pathogens, parasites causing human disease means B discuss dengue, chikungunya, common cold, pneumonia, typhoid, amoebiasis, malaria, filariasis, ringworm, AIDS, HIV, drugs and alcohol addiction, adolescence. Dear student, you know health is the level of function and metabolic efficiency of a living organism. With reference to humans, it is the ability of individuals or community to adapt and self-manage when facing physical, mental, psychological and social changes with environment. According to WHO, health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well being, not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. हेल्थ हमारे फंक्शंस या हमारे मेटाबॉलिज्म की इफ़िशियंसी का को रिप्रेजेंट करने वाला एक फिनोमिना है। डब्ल्यू एच ओ ह्यूमन हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अकॉर्ड हम हेल्दी तब होते हैं या डिसीज़ फ्री तब होते हैं जब हम फिजिकली वेलबींग होते हैं, मीन्स हमारे बॉडी ऑर्गन्स प्रॉपर वर्क कर रहे होते हैं। हम मेंटली वेलबींग होते हैं, मीन्स हमारी सभी बायोकेमिकल रिएक्शंस प्रॉपर मैनर पर हो रही होती हैं और ब्रेन उन्हें प्रॉपर कंट्रोल एंड कोऑर्डिनेट कर रहा होता है। एंड थर्ड इज सोशल वेलबींग। जब हम फिजिकली फिट, मेंटली हम साउंड होते हैं, तब हम सोशल इश्यूज या सोशल सेंस पर रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं, प्रतिक्रिया देते हैं और इसे हम सोशल वेलबींग मानते हैं। Any agent which cause a disease by its excess or deficiency or absence is called disease agent. Some are agent are biological agent. These usually refer to the biological pathogen which cause a disease such as virus, bacterium, protozoans, worm, fungus and other living organisms. Nutritive agent. These include various nutritive substances, carbohydrate, protein, fat, mineral and vitamins. Chemical agent. Chemical agent can be categorized into two categories. First, endogenous chemical agent, just like enzyme, hormones, urea, uric acid, creatinine, etc. Some are exogenous chemical agents such as drugs, fumes, gases, metals, and various allergens like pollen grain, spores, etc. Physical agent, physical agent including heat, cold, humidity, radiation, sound, and electricity. Mechanical agent, injury, sprain, fracture, dislocation, etc. Type of disease. फर्स्ट आर कॉग्निटल डिसीज। ऐसी डिसीज जो इनबॉर्न डिसीज होती हैं, बर्थ के समय से ही डेवलप होती हैं, एक पीढ़ी से दूसरी पीढ़ी में ट्रांसफ़र होती हैं, वो कॉग्निटल डिसीज के नाम पर जानी जाती हैं। यह इस टाइप की डिसीजेस क्रोमोसोमल एब्रीविएशन के कारण हो सकती हैं, जैसे टर्नर सिंड्रोम, डाउन सिंड्रोम, या कुछ और भी रीजन्स हो सकते हैं जैसे जीन म्यूटेशन, just like color blindness, hemophilia, sickle cell anemia, alkaptonuria, and albinism. Second are the acquired diseases. These diseases acquire after birth and non-inheritable. ऐसी डिसीज जो जन्म के बाद प्रोड्यूस होती हैं और एक पीढ़ी से दूसरी पीढ़ी में ट्रांसफ़र नहीं होती, उन्हें हम एक्वायर्ड डिसीज मानते हैं। एक्वायर्ड डिसीज आर टू टाइप। फर्स्ट आर कम्युनिकेबल और इन्फेक्शियस डिसीजेज। ऐसी डिसीजेस जो इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन से हेल्दी पर्सन तक फैलती हैं बाई एयर, वाटर, फूड, फिजिकल कांटेक्ट या वेक्टर के थ्रू। ऐसी डिसीज में इन्फेक्शंस माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म के द्वारा पास किया जाता है, इसलिए इन्हें इन्फेक्शियस डिसीज के नाम पर जाना जाता है। जैसे वायरल डिसीज में डेंगू, चिकनगुनिया, पोलियो, पॉक्सेस, कॉमन कोल्ड, हेपेटाइटिस एंड एड्स। रिकेट्स rickettsial disease, Q fever, typhus fever, etc. Bacterial disease, typhoid, tetanus, cholera, leprosy, syphilis, tuberculosis, pneumonia. Protozoan disease, ascariasis, filariasis, and tinniasis. Fungal disease, just like ringworm, athlete foot disease, etc. Some disease are non-communicable or non-infected disease. ऐसी disease जो एक infected person से healthy person में remains restricted रहती है जब तक उस पर नहीं फैलती, इस बेस पर हम उसे कुछ कैटेगरी में कैटेगराइज करते हैं. फर्स्ट, डिफिशियंसी डिसीजेज. ऐसी डिसीज जो हमारे बॉडी में न्यूट्रिएंट, हार्मोन्स या एंजाइम की डिफिशियंसी से प्रोड्यूस होती है वो डिफिशियंसी डिसीज कहलाती है, जैसे मरासमस, क्वासियोरकर, पैलाग्रा, ग्वाइटर, डायबिटीज एंड डॉर्फिज्म. Degenerative disease. This disease acquired due to the degeneration of certain body tissue, just like cardiovascular disease, brain stroke, and arthritis. Allergies. Allergies acquired due to hypersensitivity of body to certain exogenous substances, such as substances are called allergens, like asthma, hay fever, etc. Cancer. This disease occurs due to uncontrolled and abnormal growth of some body tissue, just like tumor formation is the one characteristic of cancer. First, disease dengue. डेंगू एक फीवर है जो मॉस्किटो बॉर्न ट्रॉपिकल डिसीज मानी जाती है. डेंगू होमोराइजिक फीवर माना जाता है. डेंगू एक डेंजरस डिसीज है. इसे डायग्नोस करने के लिए हम टार्निक्वेट या टार्निक्वेट टेस्ट परफॉर्म करते हैं, जिसमें हम ब्लड का पीएच या ब्लड प्रेशर, कफ हम कंट्रोल करते हैं. वायरोलॉजी. डेंगू फीवर वायरल डिसीज है जिसमें आरएनए वायरस पाया जाता है, और ये आरएनए वायरस फ्लेवी विरिडी फैमिली का सदस्य है, मीन्स फ्लेवी वायरस है. इसके कुछ मेंबर और हैं जो जापानी इंसेफेलाइटिस, टिक बॉर्न इंसेफेलाइटिस वायरस के नाम पर जाने जाते हैं. ट्रांसमिशन कैसे होता है? डेंगू वायरस इज प्राइमरली ट्रांसमिटेड बाय फीमेल टाइगर मॉस्किटो दैट आर नोन एज द एडीज. Particularly, Aedes aegypti. Aedes mosquitoes usually live between the latitude of 35 degree north to the 35 degree south. Symptom. The characteristic symptom of dengue are sudden onset of fever, headache, typically located behind the eyes. When a mosquito carrying dengue virus bite a person, the virus enters the skin together with the mosquito saliva. It binds to and enter white blood cells and produces inside the cell while the move through of the body. Prevention and control. The best method of prevention of dengue is by reducing mosquito habitat and limiting exposure to bite. They may be done by getting rid of or covering standing water, wearing clothes that cover mouth much of the body. Insecticide should be used on standing water. Aedes mosquito breed in artificial water storage containers such as cooler, blankets, tires, bottles. Hence, these water containers should be kept empty. A novel vaccine for dengue fever is commercially available in a number of countries. Treatment of acute dengue is supportive and includes giving fluid either by mouth or intravenously or mild or moderate disease. Aspirin or non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs should be avoided as they increase bleeding. After the dengue, we are going to study the new disease that is named chikungunya. Dear student, चिकनगुनिया भी एक मॉस्किटो बॉर्न वायरल डिसीज है. ये लॉन्ग टर्म डिसीज के नाम पर जानी जाती है. इसमें जॉइंट पेन ज़्यादा होता है और पेन लगातार बना रहता है. दिस disease was first identified in 1952 in Tanzania. The term chikungunya is originated from the local Kimakonde language, which means to become contorted. It is diagnosed by either testing the blood for virus RNA or antibodies to the virus. Virology. चिकनगुनिया वायरस आरएनए वायरस है. टोगा विरिडी जीनस अल्फा वायरस के नाम पर जाना जाता है. आर्थ्रोपॉड बॉर्न वायरस है ये. हैंस कैन बी रिफर्ड टू एज आर्बो वायरस. ये वायरस मेंबर है सेम लिकी फॉरेस्ट वायरस के नाम पर जाना जाता है। ट्रांसमिशन, चिकनगुनिया इज जनरली ट्रांसमिटेड by female tiger mosquito that is known as the Aedes especially Aedes aegypti and Aedes albopictus. The virus is also circulated in many other animals like bird, rat, monkey. Incubation period of chikungunya virus range from 1 to 12 days. Symptom, चिकनगुनिया डिसीज़ में एसिम्टोमेटिक भी हो सकती है और सिम्टोमेटिक भी हो सकती है। इनमें जॉइंट में पेन होता है, मसल्स और लिगामेंट में स्ट्रेच होता है। 5 to 7 days में इंसोमनिया, वोमिटिंग, डायरिया, नौसिया, स्टमक एक, हेडक एंड इनफर्मिटी देखने को मिलती है। प्रिवेंशन एंड कंट्रोल, नो वैक्सीन इज अवेलेबल फॉर चिकनगुनिया. The most effective means of prevention or protection against contact with the disease-carrying mosquitoes and controlling mosquito population by limiting their habitat. Currently, no specific treatment for chikungunya is available. Only supportive care is recommended for the treatment of fever, the joint pain, non-steroid and non-aspirin allergies. Paracetamol are used to give the patient. Common cold, the common cold also known simple a cold, complex infectious syndrome है. In this disease caused any one of large number of antigenically distinct virus found in this four group. These are virology. These are large rhinovirus is the most important of all common cold viruses, accounting for approximately 30% of cold cases. These small RNA viruses have a genome 7,000 nucleotides, which shares considerable homology with poliovirus. Transmission, the common cold virus is typically transmitted via airborne droplets aerosol. Besides this, it can also be transmitted through direct contact with infected nasal secretion or formate. Symptoms, in common cold, it is a viral infectious disease, means upper respiratory tract primarily affected and then nose is also affected with the throat, sinus and sound box or voice box. Symptoms may be begin within 16 hours of exposure and typically peak 2 or 4 days after onset. A cold usually begins with fatigue, a feeling of being thrilled, sneezing, headache are followed. Prevention and control. There is no vaccine for common cold. The primary method of prevention are hand washing, not touching the eyes, nose and mouth with unwashed hand and staying away from other sick people. Pneumonia. Pneumonia is an inflammatory condition of the lung affecting with the alveoli. This disease is usually caused by infection with the virus or bacteria and less commonly by other organisms. Certain medication and conditions such as autoimmune disease. Pneumonia affects about 7% of the global population and results in about 4 million deaths per year. Bacterial pneumonia is caused due to infection of Streptococcus pneumoniae, Haemophilus influenzae. Besides this, Chlamydophila pneumoniae and Legionella pneumophila can also cause bacterial disease. Means न्यूमोनिया काज करने वाले एजेंट स्ट्रेप्टोकोकस न्यूमोनी, हीमोफिलस इन्फ्लुएंजी, क्लेमाइडोफिला न्यूमोनी एंड लेजियोनेला न्यूमोफिला के नाम पर जाने जाते हैं. इसका ट्रांसमिशन कैसे होगा? दिस डिसीज इज ट्रांसमिटेड इन हेल्दी पर्सन बाय इनहेलिंग द ड्रॉपलेट्स aerosol released by infected person. This disease and their transmission and their incubation period is 1 to 3 days. Symptoms, the symptoms of pneumonia by accumulation of lymph and mucus in bronchioles and alveoli resulting in cough, difficult in breathing, rapid breathing, chest pain, fever as high as about 105 Fahrenheit, along with profuse sweating, bluish lip and nail. Children and aged people are more susceptible to this disease. How to prevent and control pneumonia? Vaccine to prevent a certain type of pneumonia are available. Other method of prevention include hand washing and not smoking. Bacterial pneumonia is treated by antibiotics. Another disease that is the typhoid. Typhoid. Typhoid is transmitted by eating or drinking food or water which are contaminated with feces of an infected person. Housefly may carry the pathogen from the feces to the edible material and water. Other people may carry the bacterium without being affected. This disease and their incubation period is 6 to 30 days, and Vidal test is performed to confirm that type of disease. Means typhoid fever, also known simply a typhoid, one of the most common communicable disease in India. About 2 to 3 million infants and children suffer from disease every year. In 2015, 12.5 million people suffered from this disease worldwide, out of which about 1.5 million people died. The name typhoid means resembling typhus due to the similarity in symptoms. Typhoid is caused by a gram negative bacillus bacterium. Mention करिएगा, it is a gram negative and their shape is rod like, so it is a bacillus and caused by bacteria. That name is Salmonella typhi. Caused by Salmonella typhi, which is also known as Salmonella enterica serotype typhi. This bacterium is usually found in the intestine and blood, but later spread to other organs of the body. Symptoms. The symptom may be vary from mild to severe, usually begin with 6 to 30 days after exposure. Often there is a gradual onset of a high fever over several days, which gradually declines after 7 days. The patients suffer from weakness, headache, abdominal pain, constipation. Some people develop a skin rash with rose colored spot. Patient may develop lesions in intestinal mucosa and hemorrhagia. Without treatment, the symptoms may be last week or months. Release, relapse of this disease is very common. How to prevent this disease? Typhoid is spread through the contaminated food and water. Hence, disease can be prevented by providing clean drinking water, better sanitation, and better hand washing. Until it has been confirmed that an individual infection is cleared, the individual should not prepare food for other. Typhoid vaccine is available and can prevent the disease for 2 years. The vaccine may have some effect for up to 7 years. The treatment of this disease can be done by antibiotics such like chloramphenicol, ampicillin, chloramycin, azithromycin. The next disease is amoebiasis. Amoebiasis or amoebastic dysentery in human is caused by a protozoan parasite. That protozoan parasite is Ant amoeba histolytica. Ant amoeba histolytica is a parasite that was first discovered by Lambe, but Russian scientist Lodz discovered its pathogenic nature. Ant amoeba histolytica. It is a microscopic endoparasite protozoan which usually reside in upper part of colon. It occur in three forms of its life cycle. First form is trophozoite or magna form. Second, pre-cystic या minuta form. And third is the cystic form. First, trophozoite. So dear student, trophozoite, it is a active, moving and feeding state of the parasite and is the chief cause of pathogenicity in form of pathogen. Dear student, trophozoite, it is active, moving for feeding stage of the parasite is the chief cause of pathogenicity. Its range 12 to 15 mu diameter. Its cytoplasm differentiates into outer clear granular ectoplasm and inner fluidy granular endoplasm. The endoplasm have 4 to 5 mu diameter nucleus. The center of nucleus is a small and rounded endosome which is surrounded by a clear area called halo. On the inner surface of nuclear membrane, there is a fine chromatin granules arranged in a peripheral ring. Nutrition in trophozoites is holozoic, which is responsible for its pathogenicity. Second, precystic or minuta form. It is a small, spherical, non-motile form which does not feed. It resembles the trophozoite in structure and live in the lumen of large intestine. Cystic form. Under normal condition, a thin, highly resistant cyst wall is formed around the precystic form, as a result of which cystic form is formed. Life cycle. Entamoeba histolytica is a monogenetic endoparasite. वर्ड मेंशन करिए यहाँ पर मोनोजेनेटिक एंडोपैरासाइट. It complete its life cycle in man itself, dog, pigs, or its reservoir host. Trophozoite feed within the wall of intestine, reproduce asexually by the binary fission, and the result of which number of its offspring rapidly increase. These offspring feed, grow, again multiply by binary fission. Because of certain unknown reason, some of the daughter amoebae do not feed and remains small, converted into precystic form. Pathogenicity and symptoms. The trophozoite Entamoeba histolytica perform holozoic mode of nutrition. If untreated, the small intestine wall get injured, due to which the parasite reach into the body cavity and infect other organs. Diagnosis. Usually the amoeboisis is diagnosed by the presence of trophozoites or cyst in the microscopically examination of bloody stool and feces. How to prevent and treat this disease. General cleanliness and washing of hand with soap before meals. Food and drinks should be protected from houseflies and cockroaches. Fruits and vegetables should be washed prior to eating. Leakage from underground sewage and plumbing should be avoided. Sitting, sitting, sitting in open ground field should be avoided. So we can say that properly cooked food should be consumed. Amoeboisis can be treated by anti-amoeba drugs such as metronidazole, chenioform, fugagalins, terramycin, ureomycin, and other drugs which are available in the market. Next one is the malaria. Malaria is a disease caused due to infection of a pathogenic parasite, that is the name protozoan is plasmodium from female anopheles mosquito act as a vector of that plasmodium vector. Four species of plasmodium cause the following type of malaria in human. First, benign Territarian malaria. Second, malignant malaria. Third, quartan malaria. And fourth is the ovale malaria. Means Plasmodium vivax is the beginner of Territarian malaria. Plasmodium falciparum cause the malignant malaria. Plasmodium malaria form quartan malaria, and Plasmodium ovale from the oval malaria. We are going to study the life cycle of Plasmodium vivax. Means the infection of Plasmodium in man occurred due to bite of an infected female Anopheles mosquito. Infective stage of Plasmodium. Anopheles mosquitoes suck blood of man with the help of its pursing and sucking mouth part, and also its release anticoagulant means saliva present clotting of blood. Infective sporozoites are introduced in the blood with the saliva. First, schizogony in liver. Sporozoids are 6 to 15 mu long, spindle or sickle shaped. At the interior end, the apical cap made up of concentric ring. A minute pore called micropyle is situated near the middle region. Cytogonin liver. After the reaching into human blood, sporozoids circulate the about half to 1 hour and reach to liver, where with the help of lytic enzyme secreted by their secretory organs, they come out of blood capillaries and invade the hepatic cell. Then pre-erythrocytic zygogony, exo-erythrocytic zygogony. After that, on the singlet ring stage. Singlet ring stage means trophozoite converted into amoeboid stage. Amoeboid stage further large and form the zygont stage. That stage microgametogenesis. That it's perform sexual life cycle of the mosquito. Symptoms: before the onset of malaria fever, patient suffer with headache, muscular and pain joint, mouth become dry, cause nausea. With the completion of every erythrocytic cycle, as a result of release of homozoin, ध्यान रखिएगा hemozoin in blood, the patient feels chillness along the shivering and headache. This is called rigor stage. Soon the chill and shivering subside and the patient suffer with the fever as high as about 105 Fahrenheit. This is called febrile stage. After few hours, the temperature lower down and the patient sweats profusely, after which he feel comfortable. This is called defervescent stage. How to prevent the malaria? The most effective method of prevention of malaria is destruction of mosquitoes, their larvae, their pupae. There should be no stagnant water around the residential area. By proper sanitization and by using mosquitoes net, mosquito repellent creams, oils, mosquito bite can be prevented. Introduction of ducks and larvivorous fish such as gambusia in water help in eradication of mosquito. For the treatment of malaria, quinone is traditional drug which is extracted from bark of cinchona. These days, synthetic drugs like rezocin, ambiquine, camoquine, chloroquine, that type of medicine or drugs available on the market for the treatment of malaria. Ascariasis. Ascariasis is caused due to infection of roundworm. Ascaris. Ascaris is a monogenetic parasite of the intestine of mammals like man, domestic animal like pig. Ascaris lumbricoides. Ascaris lumbricoides inhabits small intestine of man. Its infection is more common in areas having clay and moist and warm environment. The children are more infected because they are generally in habit of eating soil, clay, which may be infected by the eggs of Ascaris, and that disease is known as the Ascariasis. Ascariasis is caused due to Ascaris lumbricoides. It's perform copulation and fertilization, cleavage and early development symptoms. Ascaris cause ascaris disease. The larvae cause hemorrhages. Sometimes the larvae enter into genital circulation and reach other organs such as brain and spinal cord and form the ascaris disease. After that ascaris, dear student, we are going to study filariasis means Boucheria bankrupti. Boucheria bankrupti. Dear student, filariasis. Filariasis is caused by filarial worm, Boucheria bankrupti by Boucheria malayi. This disease is widely distributed in tropical and subtropical region of the world. About 90 million people are suffering with this disease globally. In India, disease is restricted to the coastal areas and bank areas of large river. Boucheria bankrupti, diagnosed by parasite, it complete its life cycle in two hosts. Boucheria bankrupti, in form of their primary host is man and secondary host is Culex, Aedes, Anopheles, and Mansonia intermediate host. Adult worms are found in the in extremely coiled in lymph gland and vessel of man as a result of which flow of lymph. In this way, it causes filaria disease in man. External morphology. Adult worm long hair like transparent mostly white कलर का ऑर्गेनिज्म होता है. इसमें फिलीफॉर्म शेप होता है. जो दोनों इसके एंड होते हैं वो टैपरिंग एंड होते हैं और एपिकल एंड स्लाइटली swollen होता है. It is their mouth is situated below the esophagus. The rectum open out through anus and cloacal apparatus. The male worm measures 25 to 40 mm in length and 0.1 mm in diameter. Its posterior end is ventrally and carries caudal ali, many genital papillae, and two unequal capillary spicules are found in this. Their lifespan range from 5 to 10 years. Boucheria bankrupti is a genetic parasite. Its primary host is man and intermediate hosts are Culex, Aedes, Anopheles and Mansonia. Other species are blood-sucking mosquito. एडल्ट वर्म टेंगल करता है माउथ के फॉर्म में और हमारी बॉडी में सेंटर कॉलम पर इंटर करके इन्फेक्ट करता है. So dear student, after that this part we are going to study the AIDS. AIDS means AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. It is caused by a virus that is known as the HIV. HIV means human immunodeficiency virus. Dear student, acute disease in front of you that is the AIDS. AIDS is a abbreviation of acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. It is literally means deficiency of immune system is acquired during the lifetime of an individual. It indicates that deficiency is not congenital disease. AIDS was first reported in 1981 and got spread in all over the world within 25 years. Irregularity of the cell intermediary immune system acquired in our body. AIDS patient, there is a decrease in number of T cells which usually induce the B cells to produce antibody. So, result of which 3 there is a disease in natural immunity against the infection of virus. Since the immune system of body is completely damaged in the disease, it is known as the AIDS. A means acquired, I means immuno, D means deficiency, S means syndrome. Initially, AIDS was known as a slime disease. Patient become slim, weak and helpless. In 1981, a group of homosexual youth was reported in America whose members were habitual of taking heroin and other drugs. The members of this group were suffering from fatal disease like skin cancer, Kaposi's sarcoma, pneumonia. The cause of this disease in such individuals was the damage of their immune system. AIDS virus was recognized and isolated in 1983 by Luc Montagnier at Pasteur Institute of Paris. 1984, Robert Gallo, National Institute of Health of America, later experiment report suggested that this disease is caused by a virus that is known as the retrovirus. It may, in May 1986, International Committee on Virus Nomenclature named this virus is as HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. Hence, AIDS is caused by HIV infection. Symptoms of AIDS. Only 1 or 2% newly infected symptoms like mononucleosis are found. AIDS related complex ARC. The normal symptom of ARC includes the swelling of cervical, armpit, and gynolymph glands. The inflammation posterior of 3 or more months. The proper medication is not made available and this stage. Full bloom AIDS. This is the last stage of AIDS infection in which recognizable weight loss occurs due to acute diarrhea. It leads to persistent weakness and more than one infections occur. Such infections are referred to as opportunistic infection. These are pneumocystic carcini pneumonia, toxoplasmic encephalitis, Mycobacterium avianus, and Kaposi sarcoma. First, pneumocystic carcini pneumonia. In this person having normal immune system, there is no evidence of acquire of such type of pneumonia. Such type of infections cause degradation of brain cell, attack of virus disease and weakness. Mycobacterium avium is a bone marrow infection which decreases the number of RBCs and white blood corpuscle means WBCS. Kaposi sarcoma, it is a cancer of blood vessels in which red and violet color coin shaped blots or lesions are found on the skin. Structure of HIV virus. HIV is a spherical 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 7 m diameter enveloped retrovirus. Its structure is very complex, means their structure is divided into three parts. First core, second capsid, and third is the lipoprotein cell. कोर इट इज़ द सेंट्रल पोर्शन, यह वायरस का सेंट्रल पार्ट होता है जिसमें आरएनए जीनोम पाया जाता है। कुछ रिलेटेड प्रोटीन जिन्हें हम एंजाइम्स के रूप में जानते हैं वो भी वायरस जीनोम में देखने को मिलती हैं, जैसे सिमिलर राइबोन्यूक्लियोटाइड चेन सिंगल स्ट्रैंडेड आरएनए में देखने को मिलता है, जो कि आरएनए चेन रिवर्स ट्रांसक्रिप्शन को परफॉर्म करता है और प्रोटीएज बनती है। रिवर्स ट्रांसक्रिप्शन इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट ऑफ ऑल। Capsid. It is the middle portion of the virus. This acquires as a firm protective envelope around the core and is made up of protein molecules. This is also known as nucleocapsid. This nucleocapsid is divided into two parts. First, inner conical cell of capsid and outer isohedral cell of 20 sites. ध्यान रखिएगा, how many sites? 20 sites. The protein of these two layers of capsid are different, but a definite number of protein molecules which are definite symmetrical arrangement each this layer. And last one is the lipoprotein cell. It is the outermost portion of the virus which occur in the form of a phospholipid bilayer derived from plasma membrane of the host cell. There are about 72 pedonucleate spike like knobs protruding out from the outer envelope. These knobs help HIV in attachment to host cell. One of them, the GP120 envelope protein, participate in HIV attachment CD4 plus cell means T helper cell. Most retrovirus that are capable of replication contain only three genes, namely GAG GAG, POL POL, and third one is ENV. The GAG genes encode the core nucleocapsid polypeptide like P24, P70, P9, and P7. ENV code the surface coat protein like GP120, GP41. The pole segment of the viral genome code for the viral reverse transcriptase. Mention this important fact. The important fact is पोल सेगमेंट ऑफ द वायरस. वायरस का पोल सेगमेंट मीन्स वायरस का के जीनोम में पाया जाने वाला POL जीनोम वायरल रिवर्स ट्रांसक्रिप्शन को परफॉर्म करता है. क्यों? क्योंकि इससे रिवर्स ट्रांसक्रिप्टेज, प्रोटीएज, इंटीग्रेज और राइबोन्यूक्लिएज एंजाइम्स डेवलप होते हैं. मोड ऑफ ट्रांसमिशन: सेक्सुअल, homosexual and heterosexual, maternal to child, parental breastfeeding. Infection of HIV: a mild form of AIDS may be developed with symptoms that include fever, headache, muscular rash, lymph node enlargement, presence of antibody to HIV. Development of true case of AIDS 8 to 10 years after infection. In the stage, the disease involves the central nervous system. Cancer development stage. Individual infected with HIV. How to diagnose the AIDS? Western blotting test, ELISA test, ELISA, E enzyme, L linked, I immuno, S sorbent, A assay. Blood sample is centrifuged to separate the serum from the blood cell. The serum is then subjected to an initial ELISA screening procedure to detect antibodies to the AIDS virus. Any blood sample that is reactive or repeat testing in presumed positive for antibodies to the virus. Blood samples testing positive 2 out of 3 times are then subjected to confirmatory test by the Western blot procedure. मीन्स हम प्राइमरी फॉर्म में एड्स को डिटेक्ट करने के लिए ELIS मीन्स एंजाइम linked immunosorbent ऐसे परफॉर्म करते हैं. Whenever we perform this test in 3 more times and we got the result positive in 2 more times, then we perform the confirmatory test in form of Western blotting. Western blotting test is based on the polyacryl middle gel electrophoresis means PAGE. P means poly, A acrylamide, G gel in electrophoresis. In this procedure, component protein of HIV virus are separated on polyacrylamide gel electrophoresis. These blotted strips are incubated with individual serum means positive in ELISA test. Any HIV antibody is present to bind to viral protein incubated with individual serum. Prevention of AIDS. Prevention is only cure of this disease. Hence, public awareness about AIDS is necessary for awareness of information regarding to the mode of transmission of this disease. Means this disease is not transmitted through shaking hand, hugging, kissing, sneezing, and bathing in same pond using the towels. Through vaginal and anal sexual intercourse, infected blood during treatment of patient by crossing across placenta, probably by breast feeding. B. Take the a therapy to control this disease.